Welcome to Mandala Art. Today we are making the rainbow candle holder, so let's get started. Begin by tracing around the candle in the center of your base and then gluing the small glass blocks around the outer edge of the heart. Following the pattern as shown, try to leave a 1 to 2 millimeter gap between each piece, which will just allow for a nice even finish. Next, glue the small glass blocks around the outer edge of the circle, again leaving that gap between each piece, and then gluing down the crackled glass around the outer edge of the heart, using the curve of the glass to match the design lines of the piece. You can then go ahead and glue the glass down around the circle and then fill in the remaining areas with your crackled glass. And now you can enjoy your rainbow candle holder. If you would like to purchase this kit, click the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more mandala art mosaic content and to check out the other kits in our DIY mosaic kit range.